bouncy house.
Bonks house.
Bunks. There are bunks to the left. There are bunks to the bunks house.
Bonks house.
Bunk sauce. I'm really not even gonna lie. That sounds like something you put on top of like sushi or something.
What, bonk sauce?
Bunk sauce. Dipping in some bunk sauce. She's like, what, bunk sauce? Yeah, bunk sauce. Shoot. Yum yum sauce, eel sauce, bunk sauce. The bunk sauce.
Bonk sauce.
Yeah. Wow, that's
Y'all said bouncy house?
Yeah. The bouncy house.
That's cute.
We went to the bouncy
You're
house.
not going out the bonk sauce.
You're not going on that bunk sauce.
Till you start do your schoolwork because you're real eyeglass. This again?
Okay. Skeleton.
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 I don't think that word's
know,
got
it's like
another N in
girl,
it. You see that word? It got another N in there?
She maga to your favorite skeleton.
Skeleton. Now I'll dress up as a skeleton for Halloween.
Skeleton.
Skeleton.
Yeah, like skeleton.
Me, I will dress up as a skeleton for Halloween.
Yeah, we don't really celebrate that, but yeah.